Are you looking for a great robotic vacuum cleaner for a great price? The OKP K3 is a budget-friendly option that offers a lot of features for the price. But is it worth it? In this video, I'll take a closer look at the OKP K3 and give you my honest opinion on whether or not it's a good deal. I'll talk about its suction power, cleaning performance, features, and more. It's important to say that the OKP K3 is available on Amazon for just $92, but this is a limited-time offer. The price is subject to change at any time, so I recommend you act fast if you're interested in purchasing it at the Amazon link in my bio. So if you're thinking about buying a robotic vacuum cleaner, stick around and I'll tell you everything you need to know. Let's start with the pros. The OKP K3 has a powerful suction of 2000 pascals, which is enough to pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets. It also has a good cleaning performance and can clean floors effectively, even in corners and under furniture. The OKP K3 is also affordable, costing just $92. Now, let's talk about the cons. The OKP K3 does not have a map, so it may not clean your floors as efficiently as a robot vacuum cleaner with mapping. It also does not have virtual barriers, so you may need to use physical barriers to keep it out of certain areas. Overall, the OKP K3 is a great option for budget-minded shoppers who are looking for a powerful and effective robotic vacuum cleaner. It has great suction power and does a good job of cleaning floors. However, it does lack mapping and virtual barriers, which may be a drawback for some users. If you're looking for a budget-friendly robotic vacuum cleaner that offers great suction power and cleaning performance, the OKP K3 is a great option. You can find the link in the description below.